Realme GT7 Pro, the ultimate flagship smartphone with Snapdragon 8 Elite and 6500 mAh battery. Discover the new Realme GT7 Pro, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, featuring a 6500 mAh battery, 120 watts fast charging, AI triple camera, and a 6.78 inches Eco-squared OLED Plus display. Explore all the features and specs here. Realme GT7 Pro, redefining flagship smartphone performance in 2025. Realme is raising the bar once again with the launch of its most powerful device yet, the Realme GT7 Pro. Packed with cutting-edge features like the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, AI ultra-clear snap camera, Eco-squared OLED Plus display, and a 6500 mAh silicon carbon battery, this device is built to deliver an unmatched flagship experience for tech enthusiasts and gamers alike. Rocket emoji, flagship performance with Snapdragon 8 Elite. At the heart of the GT7 Pro is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, Qualcomm's most advanced chipset yet. Built on a 3nm TSMC process, it boasts 45% faster CPU performance, 40% improved GPU efficiency with Adreno GPU, 45% better AI performance per watt with Hexagon NPU. This means you get blazing fast speeds, seamless multitasking, and high-end gaming without lag. Battery emoji, massive 6500 mAh Titan battery with 120 watts ultra-fast charging. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. The 6500 mAh Titan battery, built with next-gen silicon carbon anode tech, supports 120 watts ultra charge, 0 to 50% in 14 minutes, 100% in 37 minutes. AI smart charging for longer battery life. Up to 510 hours of standby. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or using heavy apps, the GT7 Pro keeps up with you all day. Camera emoji, AI triple camera with flagship Sony sensors. The AI ultra-clear snap camera features a Sony IMX900 650MP main sensor, along with a periscope lens and ultra-wide lens, providing 120x AI zoom with ultra clarity. Night vision mode for low light shooting. Underwater mode with IP69 protection. AI motion deblur for ultra-fast shutter shots. Capture DSLR quality images in any scenario, from portraits to landscapes and beyond. Mobile phone emoji, 6.78 inches Eco-squared OLED Plus display, co-developed with Samsung. The GT7 Pro features the world's first flat Eco-squared OLED Plus display, delivering 1.5K resolution with 120% DCI-P3 color gamut. 6500 nits peak brightness, industry's highest TÜV Rheinland certified low blue light and flicker-free visuals. Adaptive 120Hz refresh rate and 2600Hz touch response. Perfect for media consumption, gaming, and daily use with vibrant, eye-safe visuals. Video game emoji, built for gamers, VC cooling, 4D vibration and 120 FPS support. Game like a pro with features tailored for mobile sports. GT Boost 4.0 and AI gaming superframe for up to 120 FPS. 11,480 square millimeters iceberg dual VC cooling for thermal control. Ultra touch control with optimized gaming zones. Gaming 4D vibration and stereo dual speakers for immersive play. Even marathon sessions feel cool and responsive. Africa emoji, premium design with Mars-inspired aesthetics inspired by the red planet, the Mars orange and galaxy gray variants feature. Aerospace grade aluminum frame. Mars texture back finish. IP69 rated dust and water resistance. Ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, works underwater and with wet hands. It's a phone that looks out of this world, and performs even better. Meridian globe emoji, smart features and Realme UI based on Android 15. Stay connected and in control with 360 degrees NFC and IR remote control. AI smart features like Sketch to Image, Smart Loop 2.0 and Eraser 2.0. Super Wi-Fi and Antenna Array Matrix 2.0 for seamless connectivity. Based on Android 15 with Realme's custom Flux theme UI. Final thoughts, why the Realme GT7 Pro is 2025's best Android flagship. The Realme GT7 Pro combines flagship hardware, AI-powered intelligence, and next-level gaming performance into a beautifully designed, future-ready smartphone. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or just love the latest tech, this device is ready to explore every frontier with you.